Yes people, welcome to an exclusive unboxing of the Nike MX-720-818, also known as the MX-720. This is arguably Nike's biggest air unit of all time. It's not even arguable, it's a fact. As you can see, 360 degrees of air on each shoe, aka 720 degrees if you add them both together. This sneaker is outlandish, it's space age, it's unbelievable, since Jeff. MX-720 was one of Nike's biggest stories for the past couple of years, and now they've remixed it so you have this like plated upper, and it's unbelievable. If you look at the stitch pattern all the way across it, it looks absolutely sick. It looks crazy on foot, and this Magma colorway is releasing alongside different silhouettes such as the Nike Air Max Plus, Air Vapor Max Plus, among others. But this is my personal favorite, coming with Air Max branded to the tongue and then MX-720-818 all the way down the tongue as well. This is then contrasted by this metallic kit across the heel and this nice little orange detailing with the swoosh on the toe box. Further MX-720-818 detailing can be seen on this chunky air unit, and if you're one of them short man them out there, perfect for you. Gonna at least add up 3 inches on top of your height. Wear these on a nice little Tinder date and you're gonna be blessed. If you're hoping to cop a pair of these, they are available now via Nike for £160, and I will leave a link down in the description as per usual because I'm a lovely bloke. If you are a fan of these, make sure you're signing up to the soulsupply.co.uk, turning on release reminders, and then that way you will never miss a drop such as these unbelievable sneakers. I've been Chris from the Soul Supplier with your bookie haircut. I miss you Jay, I miss you Tyler. I need to come to the barbers. We'll see you very soon for another exclusive unboxing. See ya.